Hello everyone, I'm Paula Andrea and this is our class about solar system. Our solar system consists of an average star we call the Sun. The planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and the planetoid Pluto. It includes the satellites of the planets, numerous comets, asteroids and meteoroids, and the interplanetary medium. The Sun is the richest source of electromagnetic energy, mostly in the form of heat and light in the solar system. And welcome to the Sun! And who doesn't like a sunny day? Well, the Sun is the most prominent feature in our solar system. It is the largest object and contains approximately 98% of the total solar system mass. The Sun's outer visible layer is called the photosphere and has a temperature of 6,000 degrees centigrade. And this is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest and innermost planet in the solar system. Its orbital period around the Sun of 88 days is the shortest of all the planets in the solar system. It is named after the Roman deity Mercury, the messenger to the gods. And now we are in Venus. Venus, the jewel of the sky, was once known by ancient astronomers as the morning star and evening star. Early astronomers once thought Venus to be two separate bodies. Venus, which is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty, is veiled by thick swirling cloud cover. Now we are in our beautiful planet Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It takes 365 days for the Earth to travel around the Sun and 23 hours for the Earth to rotate a complete revolution. And we have only a few hundred kilometers larger than Venus. Our atmosphere is composed of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% to the other constituents. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and is commonly referred to as the red planet. The rocks, soil, and sky have a red or pink hue. The distinct red color was observed by stargazers throughout history. It was given its name by the Romans in honor of their god of war. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and is the largest planet in the solar system. If Jupiter were hollow, more than 1,000 Earths could fit inside. It also contains 2.5 times the mass of all of the other planets combined. Jupiter possesses 62 known satellites. The four largest are Callisto, Europe, Ganymedes, and Io, and were named after Galileo Galilei, who observed them as long ago as 1610. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and is the second largest in the solar system, with an equatorial diameter of 119,300 kilometers. Much of what is known about the planet is due to the Voyager explorations in the 1980s. Saturn is visibly flattened at the poles, a result of the very fast rotation of the planet on its axis. Each day is 10 hours, 39 minutes long, and it takes 29.5 years to revolve about the Sun. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and is the third largest in the solar system. It was discovered by William Herschel in 1781. It orbits the Sun once every 84 Earth years. It has a mean distance from the Sun of 2.87 billion kilometers. It rotates about this axis once every 70 hours and 14 minutes. Uranus has at least 22 moons. The two largest moons are Titania and Oberon, were discovered a lot of years ago. Neptune is the outermost planet of the gas giants. If Neptune were hollowed, it could contain nearly 60 Earths. Neptune orbits the Sun every 165 years. It has 8 moons, 6 of which were found by Voyager. A day on Neptune is 16 hours and 6 minutes. Neptune was discovered on September 23, 1846 in Berlin Observatory. Although Pluto was discovered in 1930, limited information on the distant object delayed a realistic understanding of its characteristics. Pluto is the second largest known dwarf planet and 10th largest orbit in the Sun. From its time of discovery in 1930 to 2006, it was considered to be the ninth planet in the solar system. But because additional objects have been discovered, it was reclassified Pluto and the other objects as dwarf planets. A comet is a nice small solar system body that, when passing close to the Sun, warms and begins to release gases, a process called outgassing. This produces a visible atmosphere or coma and sometimes also a tail. Asteroids are minor planets, especially those of the inner solar system. The larger ones have also been called planetoids. These terms have historically been applied to any astronomical object orbiting the Sun that did not show the disk of a planet and was not observed to have the characteristics of an active comet.
Storybots.
We are currently orbiting planet Earth. I'm picking up some noises. Sounds like cool music.
Such a beautiful world.
I'm the Earth, and for what it's worth, 25,000 miles is my girth. I've got more than 7 billion people living on me all across my amazing geography. Check out my mountains, valleys, trees so tall, and I got lakes, rivers, and waterfalls, volcanoes, craters, swamps with alligators, tropical islands at my equator. The North and South poles have lots of ice, only polar bears say
This weather's nice.
I've got so much land, yeah, I'm so immense. I got seven different continents. North and South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Antarctica, and Australia. But the biggest thing everybody can see is that I got a lot of water all over me. I have oceans with lobsters, whales, otters. 3/4 of me is covered in water. I orbit the sun.
I'm so hot.
That's his line, and the moon orbits me.
My time to shine.
I'm filled with life, both big and small, the most beautiful planet of all.
Such a beautiful world.
It is the home to every boy and girl. It's a beautiful, beautiful world. I'm getting homesick. Me too. Computer, take us home.